Welcome. My name is Thomas, and I'm here to share in this video the child tax credit and how it works for clients who may qualify for the child tax credit on their return. What I do is specialize in helping tax professionals and tax preparers who are already in the industry position themselves from working for a company to be in their own tax service. That's what I specialize in doing. I also offer a partnership program for people who want to make that reality happen for themselves, where they're ready to start their own tax business, but they might not want to do it on their own. They might feel more inclined to partner with me and utilize my 18 years worth of experience and training and insight to get started. So that's what I help individuals do. Again, I've been in this industry for the last 18 years, the last 12 of the business owner. And so in this video, we're going to talk about the child tax credit. And I'm going to show you one aspect of how the child tax credit works in this video. And this video is strictly informational only. The numbers I'm going to be using won't coincide with any actual calculations, just an illustration to show you how the child tax credit works inside the video. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Click the bell for notifications so every time I do a video or go live, you'll be notified. You get to follow me on my journey, as I've been in the industry for the last 18 years, the last 12 of the business owner. And so let's get started with this video dealing with the child tax credit. And what you're looking at on this form is a child tax credit worksheet. It's an actual worksheet we use to help determine what the child tax credit amount will be. And for a lot of situations, it's a cut and dry situation when it comes to the child tax credit. Going forward, for this season just passed, the child tax credit amount has been raised from $1,000 to $2,000 per child, 17 or under 17. And so in this example, we're going to use one child, 16. They qualify for the child tax credit, which is $2,000. We're going to say in this example, the client had a W-2 of $35,000, and so they elected to do the standard deduction amount, which was they went single, which is $12,000. The $12,000 minus the $35,000 left $23,000 in income that was taxable. And for this illustration, we're gonna say $2,300 in taxes is the amount that's due based on our calculations for this video. And we're gonna say that since this person has a dependent that qualifies for child tax credit, which is worth $2,000, for the sake of going through this worksheet inside this video, just gonna let you know that the $2,000 that they qualify for will go on the 1040 line 11 deals with the taxes, which is $2,300, and then the child tax credit amount will go on another line on the 1040, which is the $2,000. And so once you deduct $2,300 from $2,000, the client is left owing $300 in taxes, and so they were able to eliminate $2,000 worth of tax liability by qualifying for the child tax credit, which reduced them on only a simple $300, which now they can be able to pay along with their tax return if they chose to do so, which is a big benefit for them who qualify for the child tax credit. The additional child tax credit works with this child tax credit worksheet, but in this video, it was strictly all about just the child tax credit worksheet and how that works. And in my next video, I'm going to talk about the 8812, which is additional child tax credit. And I'm going to show you the correlation between how they both work together in the next video, so you can see how a client may qualify for the child tax credit and additional child tax credit, which you'll get to see in my next upcoming video when it comes to the correlation between both. And again, I specialize in helping individuals who are already in the tax preparation industry transition from working for a tax company to starting their own tax company. So if you look to make that happen and you always want to eventually start your own tax business, the smart and the fast way to success is to connect with someone who's already been in the industry, who already know how to set up a tax service, who can walk you through how to make that happen for yourself. If you choose to do so, you might be like me, where you decide you just want to do it all on your own, like I did 18 years ago, and that's fine. But if you're the individual who figure, hey, I've learned some things over time, and I've realized that we're in an age where the fast track my success is not trying to reinvent the wheel, but simply connecting with an individual who already been where I've been where I'm trying to go, and being able to utilize their training, their insight, their knowledge to help them get set up and get started real quickly, to help them make additional revenue streams, all in one business model is what I offer. And so people I work with, they get the fast track their success from a financial standpoint as well as a time freedom standpoint. Because see, the big picture goal is to get time freedom to go with the financial freedom you're looking for. They go hand in hand with one another. So if you got financial freedom and time freedom comes with that, because now you got the option not have to go to work and do 60 to 40 hours a week. You can take the time now to spend more time with your family and friends and do some other things you desire to do. And so that's the freedom we look to get. We look to get financial freedom as well as time freedom by starting our own business. And yeah, starting as a self-employed individual is the most common way of getting started. But you want to grow your business to the point where now, if you never come back to work, you've grown a business where you got employees working for you, you got independent contractors maybe working for you. Well, now that the business is running smoothly, you got trusted employees, managers, supervisors, lead personnel to help run the business. Where now you got the freedom of time and finances, where you can spend more hands-on time with your children. If you still got minor children that you want to be a positive role model for, you want to be more hands-on with, to be able to do that because you've taken your desire and passion to start your own tax business and to grow it to the point where now you got time freedom and financial freedom to be hands-on with your family. Is a beautiful thing to be able to accomplish. And so again, child tax credit worksheet is what you're looking at on the screen. The illustration was for illustration purposes only. The calculations that I use are not actual tax figures that may result from that. And so if you're looking to get started with your own tax business and you want to know what that looks like and what it'll take, reach out to me with my contact information inside the video. We can do a Zoom call and we can walk you through what it'll look like and what it'll take for you, and let you be able to make a decision based on actual information and real facts and knowledge of what having your own tax business will be like. And so I'm grateful to be able to work with you. Leave me a comment or a question or concern you may have in the comment section of the video, and I'll see you in my next video.